Hormone replacement therapy is often associated with relieving symptoms like hot flashes or low energy. But a groundbreaking study published in Obstetrics and Gynecology reveals it can do much more, especially for your heart. If you've been curious about how HRT could support your overall wellness, this research offers exciting insights into its long-term cardiovascular benefits. At PrimeBody, we are here to help you harness these benefits through safe, convenient, and affordable telehealth solutions. Here are the key takeaways from this study, including how HRT could be a game changer for your health. The study tracked cardiovascular biomarkers in women taking two types of hormone therapy: conjugated equine estrogens alone and CEE combined with medroxyprogesterone acetate. Over 6 years, researchers measured markers like low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, the good cholesterol, triglycerides, and insulin resistance in over 2,600 participants. Here's what they found. In the CEE alone trial, hormone therapy reduced LDL cholesterol by 11% over 6 years. Lower LDL cholesterol means less cholesterol buildup in arteries, reducing the risk of heart disease. Even in the CEE plus MPA group, LDL cholesterol dropped, though slightly less dramatically. Both HRT groups saw boosts in HDL cholesterol and changes in triglycerides. Higher HDL cholesterol helps clear cholesterol from arteries, supporting heart health. The study suggests HRT can create a more heart-friendly lipid balance over time. Hormone replacement therapy showed positive effects on glucose and insulin levels, reducing insulin resistance. This is a big deal, as better insulin sensitivity can lower the risk of type 2 diabetes, which is closely linked to heart disease. The study tracked biomarkers at 1, 3, and 6 years, showing consistent improvements across visits. This suggests HRT's cardiovascular benefits aren't just a quick fix, they persist with ongoing use, offering lasting protection. The CEE alone group, typically for women without a uterus, saw stronger LDL cholesterol reductions than the CEE-NPA group. This highlights the importance of personalized HRT to maximize benefits based on your unique health profile. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death, and maintaining healthy cholesterol, blood sugar, and insulin levels is critical for long-term wellness. This study shows that hormone therapy isn't just about feeling better today. It's an investment in your heart's future. Whether you are dealing with menopause symptoms, low testosterone, or simply want to optimize your health, HRT could play a key role in protecting your cardiovascular system. But here's the catch: hormone therapy is not one-size-fits-all. The study underscores that different HRT formulations yield different results, so working with a trusted provider to tailor your treatment is essential. That's where PrimeBody comes in. Our licensed medical professionals conduct virtual consultations to assess your health history, symptoms, and goals. Whether you are exploring HRT for heart health, energy, or vitality, we create a plan tailored to you, backed by the latest research. Hormone therapy requires careful oversight to ensure it's effective and safe. We provide ongoing follow-ups to monitor your progress, adjust dosages, and address any concerns, keeping your heart and overall health first. Skip the hassle of in-person visits. With PrimeBody, you consult with our experts from home, saving time and stress. Your treatment plan is designed to fit your lifestyle, with clear guidance every step of the way. Once prescribed, your medications are shipped directly to your door in plain packaging. Privacy is our priority, so you can focus on feeling your best. We believe cutting-edge care shouldn't break the bank. PrimeBody offers competitive pricing and transparent plans, making HRT accessible without compromising quality. While the Dove-HI study focused on women, hormone therapy's cardiovascular benefits aren't limited to one gender. Men with low testosterone often face higher risks of heart disease due to poor lipid profiles or insulin resistance. PrimeBody's STAR-T programs can help men optimize testosterone levels, potentially improving cholesterol and heart health, as supported by emerging research. At PrimeBody, we make it easy to explore hormone therapy with expert guidance, convenient telehealth, and discreet, affordable delivery. Ready to invest in your heart health and feel your prime? Visit PrimeBody.com today to schedule your consultation and discover how HRT can transform your life.